A generous gym. Bro. Opening scene, a crowded gym. A muscular guy, Chad, walks in with a protein shake. Chad. Yo, trainer, give me a set of dumbbells. And then give everyone in this gym a personal trainer for the day. The gym erupts in cheers. People start hugging Chad, calling him a legend. Chad. And you know what? Give me a protein shake and give everyone a year's supply of whey protein. The crowd goes wild. More people flood into the gym, hearing about Chad's generosity. Chad. All right, trainer, one last thing. Give me my gym bill and give everyone their membership renewal forms, because when I pay mine, I want everyone to pay theirs. The crowd freezes. Cue Chad sipping his protein shake with a sly grin.